Traditionally, transit agencies relied on static Microsoft Excel spreadsheets and dashboards to gather and share KPIs. Not only is this process highly manual and time-consuming, but it also can't keep pace with dynamic and transit fleet operations. Transit agencies and authorities need a better way to monitor and analyze evolving traffic conditions and performance, from driver performance to impounded vehicle reports to lost and found property updates. To address these challenges, EastBanc Technologies developed a Power BI report that meets the autonomous, dynamic, and real-time reporting needs of transit agencies. Let's have a look. The report contains 5 tabs. Users can find information on drivers, vehicles, wheelchair-accessible vehicle usage, complaints, as well as information on trips. Each tab focuses on a specific operational area. Here's the taxi trips report. For our client, we built this custom map of Washington, D.C., divided by wards, an important categorization for the taxicab agency. In the second map, you'll see pickup and drop-off locations in the selected ward, while the right chart shows usage of wheelchair-accessible vehicles. A big benefit of these reports is that they are all interactive, allowing users to drill down by ward. Trips in a selected area can be analyzed and compared by month, day, or any custom period. It also allows users to analyze agency performance based on historical data. For instance, how did changes in fare pricing affect the number of trips? Users can compare by month or years, all within the trip report. Let's now look at the complaints report. Here, users can see how many cases were processed on time and how many complaints were closed. Frequently, transportation agencies have policies in place that limit the amount of days in which a case must be processed and closed. Some charts display real-time data, such as cases being processed that day, comparing it to previous months or years. The Vehicles and Drivers report shows the total number of registered agency drivers and how many made at least one trip in the current fiscal year. There's a lot of additional information. For instance, you can see that most drivers are in the 30 to 60 age category. Users can also view information on fleet size and structure. Interestingly, most cars are Toyotas. In the Headways Statistics report, users can see arrival statistics for selected periods and break them down by specific routes and directions. Here you can see the average delay at a stop is 10 minutes. Only 8% of buses arrive at a stop with a delay of less than 5 minutes. The Delay Statistics report shows delays by route. As you can see, Georgetown McPherson Square Northwest leads with an average delay of 21 minutes. The deviation by day chart shows how delays depend on time of day. As you can see here, most traffic jams occur in the morning hours. Interested? Learn more about us and our BI solutions at eastbanctech.com.